considered subscribing to my YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when I post new content. Don't forget also do well to comment, like and share my video. Without wasting much of our time, let's start with today's tutorial.
Hello creatives, hello my viewers, hello to all my subscribers. So in today's tutorial, I want to clearly show you how I increase the quality of my images before I start designing. So for this tutorial, I will be using Snapseed. So if you don't have this app, you can kindly go on Play Store and download the app. Now this is the logo. This is the logo you can see here. This is how the Snapseed looks like. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So let me quickly open my Snapseed app. This is my Snapseed here like this. So I'll just click and open it. You click on the plus icon like that. I want to use this image. Let me zoom it. Like that. Now you click here, click here. Are you seeing my mouse? Click here. Go to your details. You increase your structure. Now all these things, they are not constant. You can play with it. You just play with it to your satisfaction. So click on your structure. Let me increase my structure. Let me say 30. You go to your sharpening, you increase your sharpening. Let's say 30. Like that. After increasing your structure, you give it a 30. Please, you should know that all these numbers, they are not constant. They are based on your satisfaction. So after doing it, you click on your check mark. Like that. So I go back here, I click here, click here, click here. So I want to increase my brightness. I'll give it a brightness of 3. Let me increase my contrast a bit. Increase your saturation. Are you seeing the saturation? Are you seeing what the saturation does? This is what saturation can actually do when you are editing photos. So let me increase, let me say I'll give it, let me allow it here. I go to my ambience. You see, that's what ambience can do. So let me say ambience of +4. My highlight, let me give it a highlight of +1. Shadow. Now I want to, for this tutorial, I will actually give it a shadow of -2. Then I go to my warmth. Please note that all these numbers, they are not constant. You work on it, you navigate through it, and ensure that you have your satisfaction. So after doing it, I click on my check mark. So I go back here, go back to my details. Let me give it a details of 5. The second time, 5. Click on my check mark. So let me click back here again. Let me go to my selective. I want to select the face. So let me go like that. This is a face. Let me allow it around the nose direction. Please, it is not constant. You can still allow it anywhere, but I want to focus more on the face. So that's why let me just allow it here like that. I increase my brightness. It should not be much. Go to my contrast. I increase my contrast a bit. Go to my saturation. I increase my saturation. Let me give it a saturation of, let me say 5. I go to my structure. I increase my structure. Let me give it a structure of +10. That's it. So before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. So I want to add the details. Please, you just work on it until you get your satisfaction. Remember, this is a photo editing tutorial, so there is no constant. You just work on it until your satisfaction. So I want to increase my structure. Play with these tools, please. So I'm okay with the editing like this. So I'll just click on my check mark. Now after editing your photo, you want to export it, like you want to save it before taking it to your pixel app for maybe a flyer or whatsoever you want to make. So you just click here like that. You can see share, save, export as. So let me just save it, or you can still click on export if you want to export it. All they are the same. All of the three options, they are the same. So I want to, let me say save to my gallery. So that's it. Now just go back to my pixel app like that. Let me import the photo. You can see this is it. This is actually the picture. Let me import the before. You see the difference? You can see the difference yourself. This is actually the difference. So after increasing your image clarity, after working on your photo, you can take it to your pixel app, or if you are using Photoshop. But if you are using Photoshop, I don't see any reason why you should be editing your photos or with your smartphone, because Photoshop is a professional tool. Photoshop also edit pictures professionally. But in case if you are using pixel app and you want to increase the clarity of your image, you can go for Snapseed, and I'm sure there are other applications. So this is what I do to increase my image clarity before designing whatsoever I want to design. So please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Please, I'm begging, subscribe now. And ensure to share the link with others. People need all these editing tips. So you see, that's it. Thank you. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. I'm begging. I beg una subscribe. Una promote my channel. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye bye. I will see you in my next tutorial.